Hi guys, today we talk about the project Luscuscat. This is official website this project. Luscuscat cat rules the internet, not a dogs. Luscuscat for the real memes fans. The next information on this official website: what are the benefits of Luscuscat token holders? Construct growth in value Luscuscat token. Expanding the audience and releasing new products, new users, and increase trust with leads in interest and demand of the token. 45% of Luscus is frozen. Our project is long term and we are not going to leave in immediately. Holders reverse. A 5% commission will be divided from each transaction, which will be automatically distributed and accurate between all holders. Automatically from each transaction to present will be sent the liquidity pool, so it will always be filed. 1% burning rate. We have set the automatic burning of the coin from each transaction at 1%, so the price will rise with each pusher. Big community, we think everyone is already trade of dog tokens. At the same time, cats are most loved on the internet. This is why we believe that we know and the right time and place. Distribution of release token: 45% locked tokens, 20% burn, 14% marketing and bounty, 11% liquidity, 5% team, 3% advisor, and 2% airdrops. What is Luscuscat? Nowadays there are too many canyon coins such as Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Akita, and etc. We believe that now is the time of the real hero of the internet, namely Luscuscat. Elon Musk once said, "Who controls memes controls the universe." And we believe that exactly about us and our mega cat. Similar projects: total supply, automatic LP, frozen tokens, holders reverse, burn rate, tip, and name. Pre-sales project. Roadmap the Luscuscat token. A small team having a vast experience, project team and advisors. This project team, present and future partners, answers to the most popular questions in these forums. What does all this mean? We created an innovation fully protected platform of the pusher and sale of our tokens. Why is Luscus raising money in an ICO? Our goal is raise as much money as possible. Most of the investment received will be spent on the development, improvement and development of additional feature for our platform. What is the Luscus potential? The total numbers of people involved in sale and pusher of tokens created by trust by thousand. Having innovation waves of development, we get a great change to success. Social links: this project, Reddit, Telegram and Twitter links. Luscuscat decentralized meme BIP20 token with community-centered ecosystem on Binance Smart Chain. Good luck!